It's moving this much. That's what I'm saying. Like,
trying to get it out here. And the process begins. Stuff over here. Got the headers, transmission with the torque converter installed. More parts over here. But yep. Got everything set up.
oh, there's an LS head in here.
Yep. Finally ready to go. We got the shop. Hopefully tomorrow we can get this thing going. This is it. This is my brother's car. We just took out the wiring harness and all of that, and this thing should be heading out of here soon. So I gotta do the gauges, and then yeah. So hopefully next time you guys see this engine bay, it'll have a 4-valve Coyote in it. Whew. Hopefully real soon. Okay. It is a lot of work, but you know what? It's got to get done, right? You want to get swapped. That's the swap life. Look how clean this thing is. Florida car, man. That whole thing. Yeah, yeah. I know, dude. I'm jealous. Oh, yeah. Transmission. All of that. So, yeah. All of this is going to get moved to the side. And we're ready to go. Hopefully motor should be in by tomorrow. Alright, it's all in. Got the old motor out. Suspension's being put all up. Steering's put back on. AC's back in. Cross member installed, headers installed. I don't know. Everything looks good. She's in, boys. It's got clearance too, both sides. Awesome, it looks great. But yeah, it looks great. AC's all hooked up too.
Coyote Swap Mustang. Motors in the car already.
Yo, what's going on, guys? So, the Coyote car is officially back. It's my car, my brother's car. We did some stuff already to it. But yeah, so it's kind of dirty. Sorry about that. We had more light, but yeah. So this is the motor and its final home. Its resting place. Still got stuff I got to do. I got to take out the cables and all that other junk. Took out the battery box. We're gonna put the cold air intake on this one. We're gonna use the factory 4.6 starting wiring harness. Gonna put the belts on. Figure this out with the hose and all that. We're gonna run the hose, cut the hose, splice it, make it easier for everybody. And yeah, it's next to mine. Yeah, the black one. But yeah, it's gonna be a journey. So I just gotta do a couple things. We're gonna attach this, make sure it's not hitting any cam phasers or anything like that. The power steering bracket, everything's bolted up already. I just gotta redo the power steering line. After that, I gotta do some wiring. Factory gauges, I gotta wire those in. The factory harness, all that stuff. And then I got to do a couple more things, but like little stuff like getting out the old pedal and the shift cable, not the shift cable, the throttle bottle cable. And then so we got a few more things we gotta do. I gotta double check everything, make sure everything is nice and tight, make sure there's fluid. Gotta do like the heater core hose lines, bolt in the intake, wire tubes, do this, do that, tubes. Just pretty much just checking what we need. That's really it. So, yep, so this is his car. Beautiful. This one is mine, as you guys have seen before. Yeah, let's get this thing going.